Advancing in technology is making the graphic design software more accessible, more effective, and with simpler and increasingly efficient user interface. Designing your own graphics, whether for your personal use or for your business, has become more fun and easier than ever, due to the amazing graphic software out there in the market. Even if you're a beginner, these apps are also perfect for creative graphic design on the fly. Number 8. Canva. Canva is one of the best graphic design applications for Android and iOS devices, in addition to being a web-based tool. Thus, you can access it using your browser. Canva is an amazing app with so many powerful features, and because of that, we can define it as an image editor, infographic creator, and photo collage maker. Thanks to its simple and intuitive UI, Canva is perfect for everyone, even if you're not into graphic design and have no prior experience. You can actually use it despite that. It's based on a drag-and-drop concept, making it one of the best and the most suitable apps for beginners as well as professionals for quick solutions. With a few clicks, this free app allows you to create stunning graphic designs. You will find hundreds of pre-designed templates, fonts, shapes, icons, and photos, in addition to layouts that you can easily and quickly select and customize. Furthermore, all these graphic elements are organized in categories to enhance your designing process. Canva comes with a color palette tool. Moreover, it's featured with a font combination picker, including a great selection of fonts. This tool is free with all its advanced abilities, but you can upgrade it to the premium version if you want more features to push your workflow further. If you're still at the beginning of your graphic design journey, we recommend you try Canva. Number 7. Pixlr. Pixlr is a free photo editing app available for iOS and Android platforms. It's one of the best and the most popular photo editors due to its various advanced functions. Pixlr allows you to do all the basic editing such as resizing and cropping, in addition to a huge number of awesome filters to add artistic effects. It has approximately 2 million filters. The app is equipped with a user-friendly interface. You can use it intuitively, especially if you're familiar with Adobe Photoshop. All Pixlr features are simple and powerful. You can easily use it on the go. It comes with overlays and borders with unlimited customization possibilities. Furthermore, Pixlr allows you to remove red eyes effect, to create photos collage, and to add some retouching filters such as the white teeth effect. Pixlr is free, but you're able to remove the ads for $3, in addition to getting other features such as stickers.
If you are interested in learning more about logo design, I recommend you try Skillshare. It is an online learning platform that has hundreds of classes on design topics. For example, you can check this class about Canva logo design, in which you are going to learn how to create a logo using Canva, which is a free software. The instructor will show you step by step how to use different tools, as well as sharing practical knowledge. Also, if you want to become a better logo designer, you can take this class of logo design with grids. You will learn how to sketch your logo on grid paper, in addition to executing your mark in design software such as Adobe Illustrator. And the good thing is, it is gonna be very affordable because you just need to pay less than $10 per month to get access to all these fantastic classes. Please check the link in the description to get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership.
Infinite Design. Infinite Design is a graphic design app created exclusively for the Android platform. It's available on Play Store for free. With this app, you can create vector graphics and beautiful designs with ease. The UI is simple and beginner-friendly. You can walk through the interface and discover how to use it on your own. Infinite Design is also a drawing app that comes with all the necessary drawing tools such as the pen tool, in addition to the text tool that supports different paths. Thus, you can add your text horizontally, vertically, or on a circular shape. The app allows you to create an unlimited number of layers and canvas. You may use the zoom, rotate, or pan tools for better precision. Furthermore, it's equipped with creation tools such as flip, scale, translate, distort, and various types of symmetry. The app also supports SVG files import and export, and it's free to use. However, in order to get access to the advanced features, you'll have to purchase it. Logo Maker. Logo Maker is a free logo editing app from Light Creative Lab. It's very popular among beginners and designers who seek quick solutions for creative design on the go. If you're a self-made entrepreneur with a fresh business under your belt and you need to make your logo on your own, you don't necessarily have to possess advanced skills to get a professional logo with minimal time and effort. You can simply try Logo Maker. This app is extremely easy to use. You will need zero instructions to figure out how to handle it. The interface is excellent and well organized. Logo Maker provides you with a huge number of graphics, including images, icons, and backgrounds. Pick the element that fits your concept and then customize it as you wish. Add text to display your brand's name and enhance your visual identity with the amazing color palette that the app puts at your disposal. In other words, Logo Maker gives you many options so you can freely design your logo. These options are wisely balanced so you won't get confused in the process. And once you're done, you can save your logo design on your phone gallery, or you can share it as an email attachment in PNG format. Number 4. Logo Maker Plus. Logo Maker Plus is one of the most popular graphic design apps for Android devices. You can install the app for free, besides the in-app purchases for around $3 to $5 per month. The app has a huge database of graphic items that varies from images, backgrounds, icons, and more. You can choose any element to add to your logo, not to mention that you have full control over the elements. Within Logo Maker, you can change colors, fonts, borders, strokes, opacity, and so on. You can also add shadows and effects to your design. Furthermore, you can use your own graphics. Just upload your images into the workspace and start working on them with the same customization options. The results of Logo Maker are creative, incredible, and good-looking. The app is perfect for beginners with no prior experience. In addition to that, it has a step-by-step guide to walk you through the design process. Logo Factory app. Logo Factory app is a logo creation app for Android by Logo Factory development team. This app has been rated very positively as the best logo creation app for your business. Therefore, if you want a logo for your brand but you don't have any design skills, we highly recommend this tool. You can quickly grasp the way it works since its user interface is quite friendly and suitable for beginners. Moreover, the design process using Logo Factory app is simple. It allows you to choose from the pre-designed visual elements, and its gallery has huge resources to pick from. All the graphical items can be customized to fit your needs. Number 1. Dotpicked. Dotpicked is a drawing app for Android-powered devices that you can install for free from Google Play Store. The app is dedicated to pixel art fan artists, but you shouldn't let this fact hold you back from exploring the creativity within you. In fact, anyone can use Dotpicked since it has a simple view and an easy-to-handle interface. You'll be able to create beautiful pixel pieces, so if you're looking for an out-of-the-box pixel-based logo design, this app is for you. Pixel art has become a viral graphic style, making your brand stand out as an original visual identity. Dotpicked comes with powerful features such as the autosave, the ability to draw with your fingers without hiding the pen tip, and a lot of others. For more precision, the app has a zooming tool and a grid layout. Dotpicked is a free app, but if you want to upgrade it to the Pro version, you can have it for $649. There are also other tools that you may need for logo design that are compatible with Android devices, like InstaSize, which is a photo editing app that runs on iOS and Android devices. You can download it for free from Google Play Store or App Store. Finally, we've got Adobe Comp, which is a graphic design app from the Adobe company. It's compatible with Android and iOS devices and works along with the entire Adobe suite, such as Photoshop and Illustrator. It comes with text tools to add text in beautiful fonts, in addition to allowing you to use Typekit for more sophisticated fonts. With this app, you can save your artwork as crisp graphics and open them in another desktop software of Adobe. Creating stunning designs can be affected directly by the tools you use. Whether it be a desktop software or a mobile application, make sure it will help you to bring your ideas to life exactly the way you imagine them. Discovering new apps out there is always handy to expand your horizons and be your own self-proclaimed graphic designer. It can save up on time, resources, and effort, especially if you're at the beginning of your business journey. However, using a logo design app isn't only intended to be a cheap solution. It can also expand your skill set and bring more variety to your tools, since these apps will allow you to grasp the basics effortlessly.